Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? So, what you need to complete this activity at home is your independent notebook that Miss Miller gave you. Open up to the next clean page. So, I'm going to open up to my next clean page right here. You're also going to need your word study um, packet. So, it looks like this where it says plural endings. And we're going to use this map to help us complete our work right now independently. So before we got into workshop this morning, I did a quick lesson explaining to you about plural endings and when to use them. This map right here, or this chart will help you with that. So let's look at it carefully at home. If you look at the beginning here, it says words ending with E. We just have to add an S to it. So if the word ends with an E already, like in the word house, it ends with the letter E, we just add the letter S to make it houses. It makes it plural. Plural means more than one. So houses. Face, we look at the word face. Face ends with that E. So all we have to do is add an S to make it plural, and it becomes faces. So again, plural means we have more than one. So if a word ends with E, all we do is add the S. Let's look over it down here. It says words ending in a vowel. What are our vowels? Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These five vowels stick like glue. So if you see an A, an E, an I, or U, then you see the letter Y. Then all you have to do is add the S. So in the word tray, it has A, then Y. Since it's a vowel, then AY, we just add the S to make it trays. Key, the vowels E, then Y, a vowel, then the letter Y. We again just add S and we have keys to make it plural. Let's look on the top here of the next side. It says words that end in a ch, sh, s, double S, and X. We add ES. We had to add the E and S. So for lunch, lunch ends with CH. So we'll add ES to make it plural for lunches. Brush ends with SH. So we add the ES for brushes. Glass, we add the ES for glasses. Box plus ES is boxes. Words ending in a consonant, then a Y, we change the Y to an I, and then we add the ES. So for like baby, we have a B, which is a consonant, then Y, we drop the Y, add the I, then we can add the ES to make it babies. Worry, we have an R, which is a consonant, then the Y, we drop the Y, add the I, and then add ES to make it worries. So what you are going to do in your notebook on your very first page that is clean is you're going to make a T chart. A T chart is putting a line right down the middle and then a line across the top like this. So we're making a T chart. On the left side of your T chart, you're going to write singular. Like this. Singular means one, just one. On the right side of our T chart, we are going to write the word plural. And plural here means more than one. I am going to give you the plural, the singular words, and you are going to use the rules here to make them plural. So we have tray, minute, class, box, lunch, story, family, and penny. So here are the words. You can go ahead and pause the video so you can write the words as a singular at this time. Now that you wrote all of the words as singular, I'm going to do the first one with you. The word here is tray. When I look at the word tray, I see right away it ends with the Y. So I'm going to go to my plural ending chart here, and I'm going to see where it talks about Y. It talks about Y here and here. The first rule says words ending in Y with a vowel, then the Y. We add the S. So let's look at the word tray. Do we have a vowel in front of the Y? We do, because we have the letter A, and A is the vowel. So since we have an A, then the Y, it says all we have to do is add an S. All we have to do is add an S. So on the plural side, to make tray into trays, I'm going to add an S to tray. So I'm going to write the word tray, and then I am going to add the S. I would like you to complete the rest of this on your own. Remember, trying and making a mistake, you're still learning. If you just copy off of everything that I do, you're not learning. So you need to stop the video now, and you need to try this on your own. Again, using your plural ending chart here that will help you. When you are all done, you can unpause the video and you can check your work. But right now, pause the video. All right, so you must be all done, and I'm trusting you that you stop the video and you completed all your work on your own. So now you can check your work and see how you did. So we did the first word together, which was tray, and we used our chart here to let us know to make it plural. All we had to do was add the S because it ended with a vowel and then then the Y. So that made it trays. The next word is minute. When I look here at the word minute here, whoopsies. Minute here ends with an E. Minute ends with the letter E. So I go over and look, and if anything ends with an E, like in house and face, we just need to add the S. So minutes, we rewrote the word minutes with an S at the end to make it minutes because it already ended with an E. The next word is class. Class. I see a double S. When I look at our plural endings and I see a double S right here, the rule double S, it says if we have a double S like in glass, we have to add ES. So what Miss Miller did is I added ES to class to make it classes. ES, since we have a double S at the end. For box, box ends with an X. Back at the chart, I look where it says for X. There it is. X ends with EX. ES, like in boxes right here. Box with plus ES gives us boxes. So I have boxes. BOXES. Next, I have lunch. Lunch ends with CH. CH says add ES, like lunch, and plus ES gives us lunches. So you wrote lunches, LUNCHES. The next word was story. Story. We end with a Y, but before the Y is the letter R. R is a consonant. So we have consonant, then Y. Right here, words ending with a consonant plus a Y. We drop the Y and add E. So drop the Y, add the I, and add ES. So for story becomes stories. We drop the Y, added the I, and then we added ES. If I look at the next word, family, and again, family ends with the Y, and in front of the Y is the letter L. L is a consonant, so we drop the Y, add the I, and then add ES to give us families. And the last word here was penny. Penny ends with a Y. In front of the Y is the N. N is a consonant. So we drop the Y, add the I, and then the ES. And now we have pennies as the plural. I hope you did well on this, boys and girls, and you were able to use your plural ending chart to help you.